Blake,
What's that?
open it.
Ooh.
What do you got in here?
Hey. Ooh. What is it? Show mommy, what is it? Can I see? Oh, it's a hockey stick. Do you love it? Nice. No, it doesn't go in your mouth. Nope. Okay, what's next? What's next?
Yeah.
Hockey stick.
Open this. Wait.
Does it need a tissue?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What is it? You need some help? You're gonna bring it over? Oh, you're so strong. Ooh.
Help?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, you're bringing it right over. Thank you. I can't really see you open it right here, though. Oh, you're gonna open it? Can you turn this down too, please, honey? The remote's over there. What is it? No. Is it? What is it? Truck. You want some help? Oh. What is it? It's a big truck.
Oh,
You want to get it out?
yeah.
Can we open up the rest of your presents first, please? Can you see what else is in there? Let's see. What's in there? Look at Daddy.
Oh,
Look at Daddy. What's in the Elmo wrapping? Where's the Elmo? What's that? What's that?
oh,
Oh, over here.
oh, oh, oh. Oh,
What is it? It's a toolbox to go with your new tool set. Yes.
top,
Or keep them coming, honey.
top.
What's this one? No, let me show you.
Yeah.
Did you rip off Elmo?
Oh.
Hey, what are those? Shoes.
Do you want to put them on?
No, no.
You want another present? Yeah.
Top, top, top.
Look at Daddy's got some more. Oh boy. Yeah, you got shoes. Oh, look at this one. You're gonna like this one. I can just tell. No, no, don't bite it. Oh, you're getting so good at this. What is this?
Wow.
What is it?
Go.
Trucks.
Oh.
It's a book.
Oh.
Want to open it?
Okay. Oh. Watch this. Oh. Nice. Okay, couple more. What does Daddy have? He has some more.
Oh.
You open this, please.
Ooh.
Ooh. In the tree.
Ooh.
What? Can you keep going? Look, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Here we go. Open it up, please.
What's in there?
You think that's all we got you?
The bigger pieces. please?
Hey.
What is it?
Oh.
Price tag, Daddy. What is that?
Papa.
The basketball. It was this. What's this?
Papa.
Football.
Oh.
Out. Can you just finish opening your presents? I'm gonna take everything out. Oh, what's this? No, don't bite, please.
Papa. Papa.
Open it up.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh.
What is it? What is it?
Big. Pen.
Is it a doctor set? Are you a doctor?
Dog.
What's in that one? Is that a coloring book or something?
It's like paint.
Oh.
Oh.
Like. Like.
Look at what Daddy has.
Look at this. Pull it out.
Ready? Can you help Daddy, please?
Like.
Look who I see. I see
Buzz.
Buzz.
Is it Buzz?
Hey.
Dog.
Yep. Wow. We should have waited to open that one last. Okay. Well, the big one, I can tell you're going to love, love, love. Can you open up that big box right behind you? Can't open it yet. I need the tissue again. Thank you. Sorry. Oh, get the big box. Just get it started for him. Just rip this out. Honey, get the box.
Hey, look at. What's in here? Like. Look at this. What is in here?
Yeah.
What's in there? What is it?
God.
Oh boy. What is it? Look at him drooling.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Do you want to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay, ask Daddy, please. You need the scissors? Ooh. It's a dozer. Ha 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 ha. Oh my goodness. They're huge.
You can sit in there.
You can put Lulu in the back. Merry Christmas. He's gonna try and ride it. Can you say Merry Christmas? Please? Blake.
Like,
I love you. See you later. 2 at a time. I can smell those cinnamon buns.